Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So I'm looking at a unit that's in progress for a customer satisfaction survey for some frame cracks, and tires are off, and we just recently did a Dexter Easy Flex kit. But what I want to talk about was the Sumo Springs. So a lot of people ask, whether I'm not sure whether we put these on or not, but a lot of people ask about Sumo Springs. We have been installing Sumo Springs for, geez, I don't even know how many years now. But it's basically something that's very simple. You see how it, basically captures, let's say this way with my hand, it captures the U-bolt tie-down plate, and then it's just a nut over there that tightens up to suck it up tight. This is just was like a bump stop. So think of it as kind of like a shock, or, because it does dampen it. These are lifetime guaranteed. As you can see, this one's been on and there's no wear there, and there's no real wear or damage there. People will say, oh, hey, it's going to damage the coach and this and that. And I have yet to seen any kind of damage. This unit already had V-braces installed on it. And so, if you haven't had those installed, I would recommend to do that. If you have just a standard equalizer, I'd recommend that you upgrade that as well. But going back to the frame cracks here too, Zach's in the process of this. He's not finished cleaning it up. He has drilled out the cracks, re-welded them, grinded them down flat, and now he's in the process of prepping the surface. He got pulled for another job that he had to finish up that parts showed up on, so he's in the middle of that. But we just wanted to show you this as an example. So, it's not a fear of mine to, as an RV repair shop owner, to, I trust those. Of course, they say any enhancements that you add can void warranty. Well, that's another story, but I wouldn't worry about it. I mean, we do products all the time. There's a lot of companies that fight about it, and you have to actually go back and say, this caused this problem or whatever, but that's not the case. So anyways, I would, I'm comfortable with selling those to you, installing them. I'm not worried about any kind of issues that way. But make sure you check on those different products. If it's something you're interested in, give us a holler. Like I said, we do install Sumo Springs all the time. We do install Dexter Easy Flex kits all the time. And this happens to be one of the Grand Designs that is a 12 of 20 reflection. It is a 303 RLS. And I'll capture the overall of the unit. There you can see the model number there. But, here's the overall of the whole unit. But, if you have that bulletin, come see us. We'll get you squared away. Thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, your RV specialist.